babes, it's your girl Suzie, and I'm back here with another video. Y'all know I'm always playing, period, because it's like, why not? This is me, this is what y'all gonna get, period, poo. So anyways, before I get started into this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, because I know y'all gonna like this video. So go ahead, hit the thumbs up now, subscribe down below, and hit the bell notifications to be updated with your girl posts. Okay, so this video is clearly going to be on how I get these brows. Y'all like or no? So if y'all want to see how I get them, then stay tuned and continue watching.
Look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, so we're going to jump right into this video. I will be using Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in medium brown, and also I will be using the Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And we'll be using this is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we'll be using a slanted brush, and also I will be arching my eyebrows and using a magnified mirror as well. So for those of you who are new to my channel, I do have a unibrow, and I will be showing you that in 1 second. So I will be just pretty much going in and cleaning up my eyebrow with the eyebrow razor. This is really simple, but a lot of people do not like doing it themselves because it's hard for a lot of people, I guess. But I literally just go around and trim the bases of my brows really lightly. Don't take off too much hair. Only if I have to take off a lot is when I have just neglecting my eyebrows. I haven't been to the shop in years, so that explains my full eyebrows, because y'all know they be taking your stuff off. So you want to have some alcohol as well, but we're going to brush up our brows and go ahead and trim just the top off as well. And like I said, I'll just literally just go around the base of my eyebrows. Literally, that's it, that's all, nothing too major. And pretty much get the shape and the arch that I want. So now we're gonna go in with the alcohol. Of course, it do burn a little, so be cautious of that. So this is the clean brows. And sometimes I do go in, but it's very rare that I'll go in with the tweezers and clean them up, because I really don't care for them to be 100% perfect. But we're going to go ahead and brush our brows up again, and we're going to take our Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade and we're going to trace the bottom of our eyebrows. I don't like to go all the way to the tip of the brows, because well, you'll see along the video. I can't really explain it, but yeah, we're just going to trace the bottom, and then we're going to go ahead and do the same to the top. This right here was definitely an accident. I should have just wiped it off instead of blended it in. It kind of gave me a chunky part of the brow, but you can always fix it. So I'm brushing the brows downwards, and we're going to do the same thing that we did to the top. And this one, you definitely don't want to start at the tip. You want to start back, because it'll give it a more natural look, and it won't be like super thick. It'll give it that faded look at the beginning of the brow, if y'all know what I'm saying. So now we're going to take the brush and kind of blend in the lines that we drew. And we're also going to use the bottom of the brush that gives you the better results. And so I did go ahead and wipe that little mistake off that I did right there, because I was just not feeling it. So now we're just going to blend it a little more with the brush. And we're going to take the tip of the brush, and there usually be a little pomade still left, and we just going to brush that upward in the front of the eyebrows to give it just a little tint to it, but not too much, like so. Gives it that natural look. Y'all feeling it or not? Okay, so now baby's gonna take our 2 fingers and we just gonna squeeze and just drag our fingers down our brow. And as you can see, it gives you that skinny, pointy look that you want. So now we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. And this side will be speeded up, so enjoy. So now that that's all done, we're going to go in with our concealer, and we're going to go ahead and do basically the same thing. Trace the bottom of the brows, and this time you want to be a little careful because you wanted this to kind of be really perfect because it gives the definition of the eyebrow. So you want to try to make the line as straight as possible, and then as you can see, I am blending, and I'm going to do that to the other side of the brow and also the top. So y'all, I like to start a little further than starting right at the brow to give it like a little shadow right there. If y'all do your own brows, y'all know what I'm saying, but I don't know all the terms and stuff for it, but I think y'all catch my drift. So we're just gonna blend that really good, and then y'all will see this brow. Ooh, I snapped. Okay, y'all, so we go to the other side, and y'all, I totally messed up. As you can see, I went down way too far on the brow, so this brow is going to be more skinny. So I effed up, y'all. And as you can see, one brow is bigger than the other. But on the first brow, that's how I prefer my brows. But the second one is nice too.
Okay, y'all, so these are the final and finishing brows. I did a updated video on this. Nothing really changed. Like the products that I use for my eyebrows, nothing really changed, but just the method and how I do it, how I blend it, yada yada yada. I be getting so many compliments on my eyebrows, so I decided to go ahead and give you guys the tea on how I do my eyebrows. You know, everybody do theirs different, but this is how Sue do hers, period, poo. This hairstyle is definitely up. I did it myself again. I did do this look before as well, but I did not do them as long. As you can see, they super long. They go down to my ass, a little bit past my ass, some of them, but they super cute. But yes, this is the tea on the eyebrows, sis. Let me know what y'all think. Did I slay or no? Y'all already know one side is not gonna be the same as the other, but they good enough for me. period. So yes, let me know what y'all think about this. I am not gonna talk y'all ear off. Merry Christmas. I hope everybody receives whatever it is that they asked for this year. I didn't get too much. I didn't want much. I got some money. I got me the 12 Pro. Got that in black. I was so mad because like in the 12 they made the iPhones like the really pretty blue color, but they didn't put it with the Pro. Like, but anywho, if y'all want what we talk about Christmas, what else? Oh y'all, I finally got these Yeezys that I've been wanting for the longest. Where are they? Where are they? Stinky, no. Be quiet, baby. Ain't nobody at the door. If I can't find mine, so I'm just gonna show you. Yo, woo. Is these it? But yes, y'all, these shoes came out a couple years ago and I wanted them so bad, and they finally freaking re-released. They finally re-released and I got them. I was lucky to get them. Thanks. But yes, those was my phone, my money, and these shoes. That's all I really wanted. But I got more stuff. Like some of my coworkers bought me stuff. And I have yet to go to my mom's house and see my sisters and brothers. So that's probably what I'm about to get ready and do in a little bit. But to y'all, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys, like I said, I hope everybody got what they wanted. I pretty much did, and I am super blessed. Like I said, y'all got a lot coming for y'all, so make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts, and I'm out.